Capricorn, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 21st of March. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly see what we have for you this week, okay? What I see for you is you have the Temperance card, the Six of Swords and the Five of Swords. Your person has the Lover's card, the Knight of Wands and the Six of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck I have the Ace of Swords. So there is some truth that needs to be spoken in order to have a fresh start in this relationship. Now what I see for you here Capricorn is you have the Temperance card. With that card you want balance in this relationship. That's a yin yang card wherein that balance is required. You believe that the balance is not there and that's the reason why you feel a lot of stress with the Six of Swords energy. You feel the burden of this entire relationship is in you and the other person is maybe not taking their share of responsibility or putting in that effort. Okay, now this could also be because of this energy that I see, that is the Five of Swords. With that there could be some people around you or your person that may be causing some bit of a nuisance in this relationship. Okay, they might be interfering in some way and that's the reason why you don't see balance in this relationship currently. Your person on the other hand has the Lover's card, so it could be a Gemini, or they could carry this particular energy. Okay, now that's a very positive card because this person definitely feels a lot of love for you. They have emotions for you and it's kind of a soulmate connection that they feel towards you. They also want to rush in towards you with this Knight of Wands energy. Now the disadvantage of the Knight of Wands is that this energy is so rushed, okay, that this person doesn't want to stay. Okay, so they rush in and they rush out. Okay, so there is no stability that you can look when this person is in this particular energy. Also what I want to go ahead and say is when this person will be in the Knight of Wands energy, they are only looking for the physical pleasures of the relationship. There's no emotional connect between the two of you. Also I see with the Six of Pentacles, there's some compromise that has to be done from their end. Okay, if they want to go ahead and build this relationship and take it forward with this Lover's energy that they have, they will have to understand that not everything is about getting physical. They also need to go ahead and build with you and the same applies to you as well. Okay, so both of you will have to put in that at 50% from your end and that's when this relationship can grow. Now let's take one card here to understand the intention of this person for you this particular week. Spirit, help me with one card here to understand the intention of this person. Alright, the intention here is the Hermit. With that, this person could be a Virgo as well. The Hermit energy is when a person, just pulls back and is kind of aloof. He's in the thinking phase. So they're trying to self-reflect and understand what has happened. They're just, if you look at this card, they're trying to put that at lantern and try to see what has happened. Okay, what could have led to this particular situation that both of you are in. Now let's take one more card here to understand the intention here. Alright, I see the Six of Cups. Now with the Six of Cups, they are definitely looking for some kind of a reconciliation. So with that being there, this person definitely remembers the good times that both of you spent, okay, and they want to reconnect with you. In case currently both of you are not talking, so there is a possibility where this person will come back, maybe apologize as well if they have done something wrong, and they are looking forward to rekindle this relationship with you. Let's take one more card here. Alright, I see this person also have the Seven of Swords energy. Now be very careful here Capricorn because this person also has the Seven of Swords energy. With that, they could also go ahead and rekindle with you, but they could also be deceiving you and doing something in the background that you may not be aware of. Okay, now let's take a card here which has the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So let me take one card here. Alright, the crystal that I see for you is Cobra Jasper. The crystal message is, have you been getting outdoors enough? It is time to reconnect with nature. Get out there and put your hands on the earth, garden, walk in nature, play with animals, allow the earth beneath your feet and the sun above your head and the nature to realign you. Now the message here from Archangel Thurel, I'll put in the description box. You can read it from there. That's all I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until next time, please stay safe, love yourself first.